Ever wondered why the letters are used to represent millions in finance? Let's dive into the history behind it. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. What does the unit of measure stand for? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So in summary, someone is puzzling over a report with lots of plots and has spotted the unit They're scratching their head, wondering if means something other than millimeters or millions, as it doesn't quite fit the context. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's explained that is commonly used to denote millions, particularly in finance, to avoid confusion with which can mean thousand. However, it's noted that might also refer to millimeters or 2000 in Roman numerals. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Alright, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. In financial terms, typically stands for millions. So when you see something like $5 it means $5 million. It's important to look at the context though, because in some industries, might still mean millimeters. Using in financial documents helps clearly separate millions from thousands, avoiding any confusion. So in this video, we've covered that typically stands for millions in finance, like $5 meaning $5 million. Context is crucial though, as might mean something else. It's important to verify industry-specific meanings to avoid any confusion. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.